Hello everyone. Through this video, we'll be doing data validation and creating a drop down in Excel. So let's begin. These are the city names that are given to us, and here we have to enter region and country name. Alright, so I can start doing it. So region can be north, south, east, or west. So for Delhi, say assuming that it is in north, then south, then Mumbai is in west, Kolkata is in east, Mumbai is in west. Alright, Faridabad is in north. Okay, so do you see what I'm trying to do here is that there is a lot of inconsistency. So sometimes in north there is space in between, and for west sometimes it's in capital letters, there is space in between, there is space before or after the text. So what happens is that when we are trying to do data analysis, it creates a lot of problem because there are so many inconsistencies. So keep it consistent. What we can do is we can put data validation. So we can put here drop down, which means that only a person can select from the drop down. They cannot type of their own. So how to create a drop down? Select the column, right click, go to data validation. Now here you can see the options that the criteria is that it should be from a list of items, from it should be a number. If it is a date, that what date you want, you can select a date. Then many other things. All right, now we want to create a drop down. So how I'll do that? I'll do that from a list of items. All right, because there are just 4 regions, I'll just type it. So I'll write north, comma south, east, west. Okay, so it asks me on invalid data. So if somebody enters the central, then it should show only warning or reject input. So I'll show you both the cases, and I'll just save it. First I'm doing it for show warning. So here I'll write north, I'll write central. So now it shows me this warning that invalid input must be from the item, but I was able to enter the data. Alright, now what I'll do is for these cells I'll just do change the condition, that is reject input. So what happens now, if I write central, it will not accept the data because the value should be within these list. Alright, so if you say reject input, means that you will not be able to enter data. If you say show warning, then it will just show this red sign here. Alright, so this is how you create a drop down using list and the items. Now second way to create a list here is, now say there are just 4 regions. Now for country, say there are hundreds of items in the list. So how will you do it? Say I create another tab in which I write the country names: India, USA, Bangladesh, and many more I write here. Alright, so now I want to create a drop down from this list. So what will I do? I'll create a drop down, right click, data validation, list from a range. So I can select a range here. I'll go to sheet 17 and I'll select this list till the end because I can keep on adding more countries here. Again reject and save. So I'll go here and I'll be able to do that. Alright, so this is how I do it. Now if I want to say add here Canada, so it will not accept Canada. Why? Because I had said reject input. So I'll write Canada here and then I'll be able to write the country name. Alright, so this is how you do it. Now if I copy paste any cell from this to any point, the data validation gets copied. Alright, so this is how you do it. Next thing is, say if I want to write any date here and I want that whatever is written here must be a date. So how to do it? Right click, data validation, and it should be a date. Now the question is, it should be just a valid date or on or before. Say you are asking them for date of birth, so it cannot be for tomorrow. So it has to be on or before today, right? So I'll write today. So reject input. All right. So say the date of birth. Alright, so it is inconsistent with the city names, but just assume that it is for date of birth. So what will I do here is, say if I write 24th March 2021, it accepts. If I write 25th March 2021, it doesn't accept because it is not valid with the date. Now if I write 26 March 2021, it is not accepting. Now if you see, the warning here is the data you entered in the cell F3 violates the data validation rules, and I am not understanding why it's not accepting the date. So what I can do here is I can put a validation text. Alright, what I'll write is the date must be on or before today. Alright, so it will show me that warning so that I know that that is why I'm not able to type. So if I write 26 March 2021, it shows me the error. Okay, so now I know I can write any date. Say it is 5th January 2019. So I'm able to enter that. Alright, so that's about data validation and drop down. Thank you for watching the video.